Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get song in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone and I have imported my video to CapCut, and we're going to practice how we can get song for this video. So the first thing you have to do is click on this audio option right here. Then you can click on sound and just select the song from CapCut, or you can also import a song from your device. If you want to select a song from CapCut, you just need to explore the category of the song right here, and then there are some categories for you. You just need to slide your screen like this to explore more category. And if you want to access the song, you just need to tap on the category. For example, I'm going to click on vlog category, and then this is the list of the song of vlog category. And if you want to add the song to your CapCut project, you have to download the song first. You can click on download button, and for example, I'm going to download this song. Click on the download button, and after that, if you have if the song has been downloaded, you can add the song to your CapCut project. Okay, and you just need to click on this plus button if you want to add the song. And if you want to see the CapCut recommendation, you just need to go back to the preview section. And for example, if you want to see the CapCut recommendation, you can click on this button, guys. And then this is the song that CapCut has recommended for us. And if you want to import a song from your device, you can click on this button. Then you can click on from device right here. Then you can select the song from your device. And for example, I'm just going to add a CapCut recommendation. I'm going to add the song. So just tap on this plus button to add the song to our CapCut project. Alright, and wait guys. Okay guys, and now the song has been added to our CapCut project, and that's how we can get song in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.